Hello everyone, this is How I Love Geometry. I'm Mr. Chao. This problem is from 2013 Aime12, problem number 4. In the plane, point A coordinate is 1, 0 and B coordinate is 2, 2 times square root of 3. This equilateral triangle ABC is constructed so that C lies in the first quadrant. Let P equals x, y be the center of triangle ABC. Let us find x times y. Okay, we will draw a scratch diagram. So we just draw a coordinate system, and it says it's happened. The story is happened in the first quadrant, right? So if this is 1, 0, that's point A. And the second point B is x is 2 and y is 2 and 2 times square root of 3. So that's point B. So equilateral triangle ABC. So AB is one side of this equilateral triangle, not quadrilateral, sorry. So, and we know the third vertex of point is point C, right? Must be on the perpendicular bisector of AB. Let us say middle point is M, and it should CM must be perpendicular and bisector, right? Bisector. I mean this side equals this side, so perpendicular. Now two possibles. Point C may be this side, also maybe this side. So how to determine what C is? C must be in the first quadrilateral. Okay, we know equilateral triangle, every interior angle should be 60 degrees. So we want to find, because just find that if this angle is greater than 60 degrees, so C must be this side, right? And let us got the slope of segment or side AB. So is 2 square root of 3 minus this 0 over 2 minus 1, right? So is 2 times square root of 3. So it's greater than square root of 3. It means this angle is greater than 60 degrees. So C must be on this side. Let us say C is here. Okay, we can connect this C. We connect it or don't need to connect, is okay. Okay, and the P is XY, B the center. We know the center is here, right? We say P, X, Y. So it's on the trisector point. I mean MP is 1/3 of MC. So this problem, now it becomes easy. Why? Because we got 2 points coordinate, then we can easily got the M coordinate. 2 plus 1 is 3, so it's 3 over 2, 2 times square root of 3, this is 0, it must be 3, right? And we got the slope of this one, then we can got the slope of CM, right? the product of these two lines slope must be -1, so is -2 square root of 1, so is -6 square root of 3 over 6. Now we know square root, we know the slope of MC, and we know this MP is 1/3 of MC, right? And MC, we know MC equals 1/2 of AB, 1/2 of AB, I mean BM, then times square root of 3, right? Because this is 30 degrees. If this is 1, this is 2, this must be square root of 3. So 1/2 AB, this one times square root of 3, so it's 1/6 time, yeah, square root of 3 of AB, 2 times 3, right? We got this one, yes. Now we can calculate how long for AB. AB is square root of 2 minus 1, 2 minus this 1, then squared plus 2 square root of 3 minus 0, then so it's 1/12 square root of 3. So we know MP equals 6. 6 is denominator, square root of 3 times square root of 13, so is square root of 39 over 6. Okay, now we just find x and y. So we find x and y, we can use this way, because look at here, like I will give this one, and we know that's that x, right? That's that y. We know that y, this is decrease, and when x increased, and y is, this is increased, this is decrease, right? So, but the relationship between them, that y, we just for the length, this time we just for length, that y over that x will be this one, right? Square root of 3 of 6. So that y equals square root of 3 over 6 times that x. We know that y squared plus that x squared will equals, this is m and this is p. So it will equals the square of mp, square of mp 6, then squared, so it's 36, that's 39. And this one is that y, now I can use this to substitute, right? Squared plus that x squared equals 36, 39. Then we can easily to get, so 36, 3, and plus this is 36, right? That x squared equals 36, 30. So that x equals 1. Okay. Now we know x equals this 2/3 plus 1, so 2/5, and that, and y, not that y, and the y is decrease, right? Square root of 3. Then we use this because -6 square root of 3 over 6 times 1. So that's 6 times square root of this one, right? Square, yes. So x times y is how much? X times y equals, x times y is, here is 5, right? Over 2 times 5, 6 square root of 3, so it's 25 over 12 square root of 3. Now we can find P plus Q plus R equals 25 plus 12 plus 3. So it's 40 before that, 0, done. So this problem, yeah, in summary, this problem, we just know some basic knowledge and use some skill. I think maybe this, if we know all of them basic from the given information to get the basic information of this lines, perpendicular line and the point P, and then how to find x and y. We can use this way, right? That y over that x, the relationship between them, we know the slope. Then we can easily to calculate what's the x and y. I think this is a little important. Yeah, I hope you can enjoy it. Thank you.